Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends on your Ubisoft account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Ubisoft Connect application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into the home page, from which if you wish to add friends within your account, then click on the Friends tab at the top right corner. From here, click on Friends. And now you can click on the search box in order to open up the search bar. From here, you can simply type in the name of your friend that you wish to add, and once you find this person, go ahead and click on their profile, and you will see the Add to Friends button. After clicking on this button, a friend request will be sent to this user, and once they accept your request, from the friend requests menu within their account, you will become friends with this user right away, and after they have accepted, they will appear within your Friends tab, and now you can start playing your Ubisoft games together. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add new friends within your Ubisoft account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.